everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome, bienvenidos. Hope you can stay and chat for a while, and for those of you that are coming back, bienvenidos. Thank you for coming back and watching your girl Sandy. Today we're doing two things. We're gonna open the mintMONGOOSE subscription that I got this month, and we're also gonna talk about the giveaway. But first, the mintMONGOOSE. It is a monthly subscription jewelry box. I got the regular one, which is 3 pieces of jewelry. You get an option of silver, rose gold, or gold, earrings or no earrings, watches or no watches, and it's a low cost of $12 a month if you do it on a monthly basis. And there is a low cost for shipping. I decided to do the 3-month prepay, which is $33, but I did have to pay for shipping, which is hopefully it's a one-time fee of $11, so it came out to be about $44. They also have a black box, which is 4 pieces of jewelry. It says you get 2 fun accessories, and you get an epic free gift every 3 months, and you also have the same options of gold, rose gold, silver, earrings or no earrings, watches or no watches. So with that being said, let's see what's in the bag. So let me get my trusty long scissors here and see what we got. So what do you think? Do any of you subscribe to any subscription boxes that are jewelry? Do any of you subscribe to mintMONGOOSE? What do you think about it? You know, how's the jewelry? Is it nice? I mean, because there's some cheesy websites out there that sell you some cheesy stuff. Okay, so there we go. We have a little box. So this is what the box looks like. I know they say when you initially sign up, your first box comes within 48 hours. And then every box after that ships out on the 15th of the month. So my next box won't come till March 15th and then April 15th. But since I prepaid, I don't have to worry about paying. But I know that if you do it monthly, you will get billed a month in advance. So you'll get billed, let's say February 15th for your box to come in March. Something like that. So maybe I will get my box sooner. So, oh wow, so that's what it is. And I will leave a referral link down below for those of you that would like to try out this box to see what it's like. So it comes with Werther's Original. These are the bomb. Oh my god, these are delicious. And a thank you card. And then it says, yay, it's here. Be sure to share. So there you go. We're going to share the love. And it comes in some tissue paper. So this is kind of small. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what did we get. So also I wanted to talk to you as well. I'm opening this mintMONGOOSE. I will be having a giveaway. And I will discuss that. Oh, so nice. Okay. I will be having a giveaway. I'm going to do a small video on the giveaway because there's going to be several rules. I know one of the rules is you have to subscribe to my Instagram account. And I will be posting a picture on my Instagram account that you will have to like. And it'd be nice to share that. And comment in the Instagram picture. And also you'll have to comment in the video that I post about the giveaway, because it's just going to be a solo video on the giveaway. And that video you'll have to comment down below. 1, if you'd like to enter into the giveaway. 2, I'm going to specifically put in the video an emoji that you'll have to place in your comment, not only in YouTube, but you also have to use the same emoji and the same enter me in the Instagram account. And now, I know how everybody works. You read the comments, you kind of get the gist of what's going on in the comments. They'll say like, my favorite color is this, and they'll list, and everybody has the same purple heart, red heart, yellow heart in the comments. Well, mine's gonna be a little different. In the video, somewhere in the video, maybe in the beginning, maybe in the end, maybe in the middle, I I'm gonna leave instructions on, because I'm gonna do it by the alphabet. So whatever letters that will pertain to your first name, either you can go by your YouTube name or Instagram. You'll have to leave me the emoji that corresponds to the first letter of your name on YouTube. Now, if you can't use the emoji, because I know sometimes people can't put the emojis because of the computer, you'll have to list the name of, let's say your name starts with the letter A through M, and you have to leave in a lipstick emoji. So let's say you can't put the lipstick emoji. You'll have to put in parentheses lipstick. Not only in the YouTube comment, but you also have to go over to Instagram and do the same thing. Either put the lipstick emoji or put lipstick inside of parentheses. So that's just a little bit. I'll discuss more in the giveaway video, but that'll come later. So I'm excited because I'm giving away 2 gifts in that one. Okay, so our first item is this here. What does it say? Spend $40 on individual items in our online shop and receive your next box free. Well, there you go. So let's see. Of course, I can't open it because just can't open it. Maybe I'll edit that part out because well, maybe not. I don't know. I'm not doing too well on my editing skills. Let me know how am I doing on my editing, because I'm just learning it and I'm doing my little intro and my ending. That's if everybody's staying for my ending. But anyway, that's the first item. Oh, well, this is nice. So I did surprise me. So this is all gold items, I believe. Yes. So here's the first item. Oh, isn't that pretty? Cute little necklace. Is there a kink in here? No, that's fine. And that's the clasp there. So this is nice. What is this, like a 16-inch, 12-inch? That's pretty. I might have to wear this tomorrow when I film my next video for the giveaway. But this is nice. I mean, it doesn't feels light. You could tell it's kind of, I don't know about the, I probably fixed that, but it looks like a little kink in there. You see that? I don't know if anybody can see the little kink, so maybe I could get that out. But that's the first item. Let's see what the second item is. This also comes with a little card. So I wonder if I'll get my next box no, I will get my next box in March. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna do that giveaway. I'm gonna have 2 giveaways in the next video. I think I'm doing gift cards for that giveaway. I'm leaning towards gift cards. I just think it'll be easier. And then if you're international, because I have some international people, I have some international subscribers, and I can always email the picture or get an e-gift card and email that to the winner. So like that, they don't have to wait 2, 3, 4 weeks for the card to come in the mail and then risk it being lost. Anybody in the United States, I will mail you the card. But if you choose for me to email you the card, which is faster, I could do that too. Oh, okay, so the second item is a bracelet. So I have very small wrists and hands, so usually I could just slip these on. Yeah, see, I could just slip it on. I have very small wrists. Actually, I might have to put it on here because it fits me really big. So there's the bracelet. If anybody can see that, it's kind of cute. I'm not too fond of gold. I prefer silver, but this is nice. I would wear this. Definitely nice. Okay, and now the third item. Let's see what it is. I hope I don't have to really edit too much on this video because I want to do like a 1 take and that's it. Usually lately I've been having to record my videos like in 3 takes, 4 takes, and it loses its appeal when you have to repackage everything and pull it all back out. So Oh, so it's a whole set. Oh, isn't this nice? So these are the earrings. Let me see if I can. The earrings are nice. They're not too bad. So those are the earrings. Oh no, can you still, maybe I should hold them like this. So those are the earrings. So this is a complete set. And this was, if you calculate the shipping, it was $11 in shipping. If you divide the 11 by 3, about $3.50. So what is that? Like $14.50 for the complete set, which is not bad. I don't think it's too bad. I normally don't buy jewelry like this. But that's the necklace, the earrings, and then the bracelet, which is right there. Oh, can you see that? Which is like right there. So yeah, in the next video I will discuss more on the giveaway. It's a thank you. I was gonna do it in this video, but I don't want this video to be too long and drawn out, and but I will record that video and I'll probably put them back to back, because everyone's probably thinking like, girl, you said you're gonna have a giveaway like 4 videos ago, and I have. So I apologize for that. I just want to make sure that when I do have the giveaway, that I can do it with the least amount of hiccups. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed my little video. The jewelry is nice. Let me think. Tell me what you think about the jewelry in the comment section down below. Would you try something like this out? And if you have tried this out before, what do you think about it? I signed up for 3 months. I want to see what the next month brings. I hope it's, maybe I can change it. I want something silver. Unless they do silver, rose gold, and then gold, but I don't want to take a chance. I wonder if I could change my preference. I should go in and check. But then again, I will link a Mint Mongoose link down below. You can use my link, or you could just Google Mint Mongoose and sign up without using my link. That's up to you. All I get is probably some, I haven't even looked up. I just got this today and I haven't really looked up details. I'll probably get a little couple dollars to spend on their website, because that's what a lot of these companies do, which is fine. But like I said, it's just a little taco money, you know. Mama gotta eat. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for coming by. I hope to see you again. Like I said, my next video might be like a little 5-minute video, just talk about the giveaway. And until then, I will see you till the next time. Hasta laters.